Yeah, so ayun.
Yeah.
We love Lola.
Yeah, so just a bit more, of course, about your ano naman, what you're doing right now.
Yeah, right now, actually, kaya ako napadalaw talaga kasi I was supposed to be here around, like, tomorrow pa kasi nga for the public viewing, but I just really had to kasi tomorrow meron akong shooting for a film, Sisa, kay Director.
Ah! Oh my God, nag-fangirl. Diyan lang na fan ako eh. And yeah,
So, I was, yun, sabi ko,
Pampanga ba shooting location nyo? At parang araw-araw nandun sa Ferdilapos.
sobrang layo ng shooting. Actually, kakagaling ko lang.
Saan? Pampanga ba? Oh, well, magkatabi ng Pampanga siguro. Kaya niya napupuntahan palagi. Yeah.
Yun, parang sabi ko, hindi kailangan. If magiging busy ako, kailangan ko at least magdalaw. One of my, co-stars dahil sa Piling dahil dumalaw na. Sabi ko, dalaw na lang tayo. Kasi, iba pa rin kasi na I get to actually still say my, farewell and tell her na, like everything na she meant for me.
So, na-meet mo ba si ano doon? Na-meet mo na si Hilda Coronel nung reading?
Yes.
Ano yung... Oh, Pero I'm so happy for you. I really feel good about this film because it's June Lana and it's the comeback of Hilda Coronel. Yeah. How about mainstream? Ano ba yung mga nagawa mo lately?
Well, recently, wala pa naman ako ulit show sa GMA. So, itong Sisa is like my comeback ulit din talaga sa big screen. And I'm just so happy na maging part ng cast kasi it's very female dominated and I feel like it's a movie na, worth watching. Parang si Miss H reminds me of Tita Gloria din na parang very grabe yung aura nilang dalawa. So, sikat na lang muna.
Yeah, of course. May NDA ba? si 'di ba? Of course, like you, si Jillian Ward isa ding 'di ba child star na parang naging ka-close mo siya or what can you say about her? Kasi nag-trending siya lately, gawa din pala siya she's a good singer and dancer.
Yes, si Jillian, I'm very happy. Ang dami nang na-receive ng mga awards and also tawag ito shows. So, ayun. Actually, baka makita ko siya sa 28 if ever dadalaw din ako here. Kasi alam ko sila yung mas may chance na makawork si Lola Glo for like a very long time. And Jillian kasi, she's very talented ever since nung bata pa kami. So, parang kumbaga given na hanggang ngayon talented pa rin siya ng manga. So, yeah, I'm very happy for her.
Yeah. So, last question na ano pa yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa industriya bilang artist?
Like what Lola Glo, parang naibahagi nila sa akin. Sa lahat ng mga nakakatrabaho ko, it was never really for popularity yung pagka-artista. It's more on really the craft and yung love talaga sa pag-arte na parang kahit anong role gagawin mo because you want to send a message to people. And for me, gusto ko magkaroon ng mga roles na alam mo yung medyo nag-shift hindi kumbaga makakapag-shift siya ng reality or dialogue sa mga tao. Siguro pwede natin sabihin controversial but very very strong and independent. Like sabihin natin mga like kagaya ng Sisa nga na parang malakas yung impact niya especially sa mga advocacies for the people. So ayun, hopefully ganun nga ang trajectory ng career ko. Kasi yun naman
parang yun naman kilala kita parang pag ganun na
parang pag ganun talaga siya ever since. And like sabi nga ni Lola Glo, just continue loving your craft and yun lang naman talaga yung pinapractice.
Pero do you do this full time or do you do like work para school? Are you in college now?
No, for 2 years.
So, anong ba tawag senior high school?
I'm graduating. I'm a huge student. So,
okay.
Hindi ko ba alam kung anong kukunin ko sa college. Maybe film?
Yeah.
Film.
Ay, kunin mo akong artist na nag-actress na ulit ako.
Yes, film. So, let's see na lang ano nga ang gagawin ko sa life. Pero, I'll just keep doing acting pa rin naman. Feeling ko kahit anong field naman ako mapunta, aarte pa rin.
Yeah. That's nice. Sige, thank you.